November 1st, Karnataka Rajyotsava Day, the day Karnataka was born. My non-Kannadiga friend came and asked, "Hey, why there are so many red and yellow flags today? Today is Karnataka Rajyotsava, our state's birthday." I saw in calendar, what is it actually? On this day in 1956, all Kannada-speaking regions came together and formed into a great state called Mysore. Later in 1973, it was renamed as Karnataka. So today is Karnataka's birthday. We hoist our yellow and red flag, the colors of our unity. We also sing our Kannada anthem, Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, Jaya Karnataka Mate. We celebrate with music, dance and our Kannada pride. Yellow and red flag is our Karnataka state flag. Now I know about the Karnataka Rajyotsava Day. Thank you for it. Happy Karnataka Rajyotsava, Kannada Rajyotsava Shubhashayagalu. Like, share and subscribe.